Okay, today we are pretending to have a nest with this. What is this? Oh, mother duck. No, he found a little basket from his grandma, and also this decorative duck, and he wants to make a nest. Oh, it looks like he's going to build a nest, my love. Okay, get more of the plants or the flowers, the leaves to make a nest. Okay, pick another one. Okay, he's picking. Okay, he's picking leaves. Okay, put that one there. Oh, very good. Okay, more. Oh, the plants. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're gonna put that one in the nest. Oh, very good. He's excited to make a nest. Oh, not the plants of mama. Okay. Pick another more. What? Okay, anything that you can put this in this basket. Okay. Okay, anything that you can put in the basket to make a nest. Oh, very good. Okay, more. More of the mhm. More of the dandelion flowers. Mm-hmm. Oh, very good. Say hi. Baby give. Okay, pick more plants or more leaves or anything. Okay, to make a nest. Ooh. See, that's nice. Ooh. He's a happy boy. Oh, lots of leaves. Okay, pick more. It doesn't hurt that plants. You can pick anything in there. Okay. More. Yeah. Yeah. Are you making a nest? Okay. Oh, not much of the plants around the basket. Gonna make more. He's busy. Okay, he's busy. Okay, more. Ooh, getting more. Okay, more flowers, more leaves. Anything that you can find. Okay. Okay, just pick one. One at a time or more. Oh, this one. Oh, very good. Yeah.
Green leaves.
Green leaf. Oh, how about more? The dandelions, the flowers. Oh, lots of flowers in there. Okay, we're gonna get there. Okay, we put that one in there. Oh, very good. Yeah, we are making a nest. Okay, get this one. Oh, this big plants. Okay, pick that one in there. Oh, yeah, right there. Put that one in the basket. Oh. Okay, come on. Just only the leaves. Oh, that one in the tree. Pick that one, yeah. Oh, more. Oh, very good. Thank you, more leaves. Oh, he's speaking. He's busy. Oh, oh, there's a big one. Oh, look at our nest here. You see? Okay. I enjoy making a nest, Mama. Oh, oh, it's a big one. Okay, put that one. You gonna make it full? Give more. This one, big leaf in there on the ground. This one, my love. This one, big leaf. Good, that one for the nest. The whole thing. Okay, that's fine. You can put that one in the nest. Come on. This one, oh, here. This one. The big leaf. Okay, I let him pick all the leaves. That one is fine. Okay, put that one in the nest. Put on the nest. The lion. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna be gentle on that. Gonna break the ducky. Okay. Okay, more of the leaf. More of the leaves. Oh, it's small. It's a big one. Okay. Ooh. Good job. This one, the big leaf, my love. This one, get the big leaf. This one. Okay, the big leaf. Pull it out. Okay, put that one in the nest. Oh, that one. Okay, put that one in the nest. Okay, right there. Okay, the big one. Oh, that one. Oh, so strong. Oh. Very. Oh, very good. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, almost there. Look at that. He's making a nest. Okay, more? Are you done? Oh, not yet. Okay. Pick more. Pick more of the leaves and then the lions and anything that you can find. Okay, put that one in the basket. In the nest. Come on. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where Mama go? Here's my son. Come on. Okay, we are in the back in the garden. Oh, ducky. Oh, faster we gonna kill. Oh, more. Oh, that one. Dandelion. Yeah, pick the dandelion. Oh, more. More dandelion. Yeah. It's about nature, no? Oh, it was a big leaf in there. Oh, pick that one, big leaf. Oh, that one. Okay. We put down the basket to make it full. Another one. This one. Okay, don't go in there yet. Shh. That's dirty. Gonna make the... No. Don't touch that one. Okay, only the leaves. Pick the leaves. Yeah. Yeah, you touch the bucket of the pots. Okay. Are we done? Are we done? Oh, it's not full. It needs more. Are we done? We said it's done. Not yet? Okay, you want to pick more? Don't touch the pot. Don't touch the pot lagi. No touching the pot. Oh, the pots are falling. No. Okay, just only the grasses. The grass, the flowers. Oh, right there. Oh, very good. About nature. The bushes are sharp. The bushes are sharp. You want to try the bushes? Are we done? Okay, he wants to be in the bushes. Hoy, where are you going? He's running. Oh, he's running. Hoy, wait for Mama. Wants to pick more. Okay, this way, this way. Shh. This way, this way. Okay, what else that you can find to put on the basket? Okay. He's picking, okay. Very good. What else? Oh, this one, oh, this one, this one, oh. It's a long grass. Okay, you can pick that one and put on the basket. Okay. Oh, very good. Good job. We are done na. Not yet? Oh, can't pick the flowers? You put the flowers. Oh, spiky. Yeah, we don't want the spiky. Okay, put the one in the basket. Put on the basket. Oh, we are done na. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You see, he wants to see our pretending nest here with the decorative duck. Okay, come on. Easy, soon. Come on, yay! Cute little ducky.
Bye.
Okay, he's carrying the nest. Oh, you're so gentle to the mother duck. Oh, very gentle. Yeah, the little nest. Good job. Where are you gonna put, Jen? Okay, careful in there. Oh, you're so cute. Ooh. Okay.